Think a sluggish throttle is an expensive fix? Think again. In this video, I'm showing you 3 easy ways to reset your throttle position sensor yourself without tools. I'll break down which method actually works for your car so you get the right fix the first time. Don't worry, I'll keep the steps simple and point out the common mistakes to avoid so you don't break anything. To begin, find a safe and flat place to park your vehicle. Make sure the engine is completely off and then remove the key from the ignition. After a moment, put the key back in and turn it to the on position. This is the setting where your dashboard lights up and the electronics turn on, but the engine itself is not running yet. It is very important that you do not start the engine during this process. Now, focus on the gas pedal. You need to slowly press the pedal all the way down until it touches the floor. This should take you about 4 seconds to complete. Once the pedal is pinned to the floor, hold it there firmly for 3 seconds. Being smooth and steady is the most important part of this trick. After holding it, gently release the pedal by lifting your foot slowly over another 4 seconds. You must repeat this exact process, pressing for 4 seconds, holding for 3 seconds, and releasing for 4 seconds 2 more times. Doing it a total of 3 times ensures the computer correctly learns the position of the pedal. When you are finished with the 3rd round, turn the key to the off position and take it out of the ignition. Wait for 10 seconds to let the system save the new settings. Finally, start your car and take a quick drive to see if the throttle feels smoother and more responsive. Method 2. Battery disconnect. This method is a great choice for cars with electronic throttle systems, especially if the first reset trick did not work. It helps clear the car's computer memory and starts everything fresh. To begin, find a safe place to park, turn off the engine completely, and open the hood of your car. Look for the car battery and find the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use a wrench to loosen the nut and carefully pull the cable off. It is very important to make sure the metal end of the cable does not touch any other metal parts of the car, as this could cause a short circuit or a spark. Leave the battery cable disconnected for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the car enough time to drain any leftover electrical power and reset its internal settings. After waiting, put the cable back onto the terminal and tighten the nut firmly with your wrench. Now, go back inside the car and put the key in the ignition. Turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine yet. Look at your dashboard and wait for all the warning lights to finish their checks. Once they are done, start the engine. Let the car sit and idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, do not touch the gas pedal at all. This allows the car to relearn how to run smoothly. Finally, take a quick drive to see if your car feels better and more responsive. Method 3. TPS Reprogramming. This method is the best choice if you have just replaced the throttle body or if your car is having serious performance problems. Before you start, make sure your car is parked in a safe area and that the engine is completely cold to the touch. Working on a hot engine can be dangerous, so it is important to wait until it is cooled down. First, open the hood and find the car battery. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the negative battery cable, which is usually the black one. Pull the cable off and leave it disconnected for at least 2 minutes. This short break helps the car's computer system clear its old memory. After the 2 minutes are up, put the cable back on the terminal and tighten it firmly. Next, get into the driver's seat and put the key in the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine yet. Now, get out of the car and stand near the front of the engine. Listen very closely for a soft buzzing or humming sound coming from the throttle body. This sound means the part is moving and learning its correct position. Be patient, as this learning process usually takes between 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Once you notice that the buzzing sound has stopped, go back to the car, turn the key to the off position, and remove it. Finally, put the key back in and start the engine. Let the car sit and idle for about 10 to 15 minutes without touching the gas pedal. This allows the system to finish setting itself up perfectly before you take the car for a test drive to check the results. Maintenance tip. To keep your engine running smoothly and reliably, it is a great habit to clean the throttle body every 20,000 kilometers. Over time, dirt and carbon can build up inside this part, which might cause your car to shake or lose power. By performing this simple maintenance task regularly, you can prevent performance problems before they even start. When you are ready to clean it, you must be very careful about the products you choose to use. You should never use carburetor spray, paint thinner, or gasoline on this part. These harsh chemicals are way too strong and can easily strip away the sensitive protective coatings inside the throttle body. Instead, always look for a specialized cleaner, such as CRC Throttle Body Cleaner. This type of product is designed to be gentle on the metal while effectively removing all the grime. Taking care of your car this way is one of the best things you can do for your wallet. If you catch these small issues and keep the parts clean now, you will save a lot of money by avoiding expensive repairs at the mechanic later on. A little bit of care today goes a long way.